What is going on, guys? Mr. Barber coming back with yet another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing a mid-skin fade tutorial on my boy Jonas. So basically for this haircut we're just going to be giving him a mid-skin fade. I'm going to be doing the beard, but I didn't get that on video, and for the top we're just going to be leaving it how it is because he wanted to grow the top out and just rock it how it was. So first things first, what you're going to want to do is clean up your canvas. Since I put my guideline in with my trimmer like going upwards and not flipped like if I was giving a lineup, I need the hair to be already short. If not, the line isn't gonna come out crispy. Not crispy, but I mean like even and nicely done. So I cleared the bulk and then I went ahead and lined him up. This is just like a rough copy of the lineup, just so that once I'm fading I don't lose the lineup, so I could keep those areas kind of dark. After that, I'm gonna give him the skin guideline. I'm going to arc it a little bit just to give some shape to the fade, and then we're going to come up behind that, bald it out. I don't think I used my shavers right away. I used it towards the end, but you could either use it right now or at the end. Alright, so step number 2 is to take your fading clipper. Right here I have my wall seniors, and you're going to want to go up about 1/2 inch. Make sure that these lines are even and looking nice, because once again, nicer your lines, the nicer the fade. So right after that I fade it out right away. So the lower you go, the more you're going to close the lever. So you have the lever all the way open, you make your first line, you want to close it maybe 1/4 of the way and come up right under that, close it halfway right under that, and then close it 1/4 right under that. Sorry, the first time I meant 3/4. Anyways, after that it should be gone. If not, close the lever all the way and hit it with your corners. Step number 3 is take the one guard open, so 1.5, go up a little bit more than the first guideline, and then we're going to do the same step. So slowly close it as you go down. Once you're with the lever all the way closed, there's still going to be a line, and you get that line out with the 0.5 guard open. Slowly close it and then it'll disappear. If the lines don't disappear right away, don't get discouraged or nothing, because we're going to have our cleanup time at the end. So what I do is I do my first draft, and then I do that pretty quick around the whole head, and then I'll really detail the haircut at the end. So what I just did right there is I took my number 4 guard, went up into the bulk, and then now I'm fading from the 1.5 to the 4 with my 2 guard open. So 2.5, I'm going to slowly close that, and then there's still going to be a line, and then we're going to get that line out with the 1.5 guard open and then slowly close it. As you guys see, it just like skipped something. The battery on my camera died, so it cut out, but if you guys just follow the steps as I just said, this is what it should be looking like. Alright, so for this side it's going to be the exact same steps as the other side. We're going to go no guard lever open, go up about 1/2 inch, and then we're going to fade it right away. Once you're done that, you're going to take your 1.5 guard lever open, fade that out right away, and then there's still going to be a slight line, and you're going to get rid of that line with the 0.5 guard. So you start with it all the way open, slowly close it as you go lower, and it should get rid of the line. Once you're done that, I take my number 4, get rid of the bulk at the bridge area, and then I fade from that 1.5 to what is now a 4 with the 2 guard open. I'm going to slowly close it until it's until it turns into a 2, and then after that we're going to take our 1.5 guard open, slowly close it, and it should get rid of all the lines. It's okay if it's not perfect, because like I said, we're going to be doing some touch-up work at the end. Alright, so I'm just going to skip the part of me doing the back because it's the exact same steps as the sides. But after that, it's now time to do your touch-up work. So for my touch-up work, I like to do the exact same steps that I did, but backwards. So we faded upwards. Now we're going to fade downwards. So step 1 is I take my number 4 guard, clean up the bulk or around the bridge area. And then I take my number 2 guard all the way open, slowly close that, take my 1.5 guard open, slowly close it, take my 1 guard open, slowly close it, take the 0.5 guard open, slowly close it, and then after that we're going to be left with no guard open, slowly closed it, and then you're going to want to hit it with your shimmer just using the corners and then the shaver. So I'm explaining this, but don't forget you're going lower and lower every time, just because you don't want to raise up the fade, because if you raise up the fade then you're gonna have to restart. So always start a bit higher so that you don't cut any light spots in the fade. All right, so once you're done detailing that side, we're going to move on to the back, basically the exact same steps. And then once you're done that, your fade should be looking good. The next step after that would be to, cut the top, but my client didn't want to cut his top. He wants to leave it. So after that, it was pretty much done. It was time to move on to the beard. But like I said, I didn't get the right angle when I was doing the beard, so I can't show you guys that in this video, but you guys will see the end product at the end or in a few moments right here. Stay tuned to the end of the video because my boy Jonas had some words of wisdom for you guys. But that's gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Summertime in July, time magic, and I got to have it. I got to say it again. Oh my.
Bro, I feel like, bro, you need to be don't think, you gotta go fluid with it, you know?
Okay.
Go fluid with your comments.
Okay, Dilo, show the documentary. Show the documentary, bro.
I'm showing you, you idiot.
No, but
I
you're
need to
talking.
feel the
You don't hear
conference,
me, bro.
I need to feel the conference, you know?
Okay, go again.
So,
whenever you're ready.
Jonas, do you have anything to say to my viewers?
So, look, sometimes you're gonna get knocked down. You gotta keep moving forward. You're gonna have some bumps in your life. You're gonna fall down. But what makes you stronger is when you get back up. It's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. Just live it. Live life. Be stupid. Do
Pow.
stupid things.
Pow!
You got that hotter than a summer.